Hello all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So in today's tutorial we will see how we can add the brake button. So it's rather simple. So first thing first we will first thing like it will be a very small video as it is very easy to like add the brakes. So first we will see the concept. Let's imagine like our vehicle is going with some speed, so it will have some linear velocity, correct? So what we will see, when we will press the brake button, we will just turn on the variable, some variable on. If that variable is on, in tick function we will runtime check its velocity, and equivalent to that we will apply the opposite force with while adding some constant to it, and we will add, that's it. So like I will recommend it, you can try on your own and then you can come back to the same tutorial. If you have got the same output as me, it will be really good, and it will be appreciation. It will be very appreciative for me too. Okay, so let's start. Input component bind axis, or it will be the action. So f name brake. So IA input event pressed this comma, and here we have to put the AM vehicle base, and it will be brake pressed. So what I have done here, first thing you have to see that it is not the bind axis which we were creating before, it will be the action, because when we will press the space button it will apply the brake, and as soon as we will release it, it will dequip the brake, that's it. So I'm copy pasting in, and here it will be IE released, and it will be brake released. Okay, so this functions is not defined, so I will just click this red button here. Okay, create member function. It will be the void brake pressed, yes, brake pressed, and same with the other one. I will just duplicate this and released. Okay, we just have defined it, but we haven't give the definition yet. So what I will do, just alt enter and generate definition, press OK. I really like this idea, it's really fast. So okay, so this part is done. Now what we will do, we will create one variable which we will toggle, like when we will press it we will just turn it to true or false. Okay, so it will be the bowl, or rather we can actually we can put this variable in protected, because there may be a time where we want to get the value of it, that's it. So in the protected you must be thinking that why I haven't defined it below. Brake brake applied. You must be thinking why we haven't we could also write it here, but I usually keep the things like function in one part and variables in one part, so just to keep the things tidy. Okay, so the default value will be false, so when we will press it, it will be true. When we will release it, it will be false. Okay, one more thing we do want, like we can access it in the blueprint too. So u property blueprint read only. Okay, we want one more value which is the brake constant, so I will just copy paste it and I will name it as brake constant. So for me the 1000 was working fine, so I will keep it as 1000. Now our first part is complete. What we will do now, we will go to our tick function where we will applying it, update vehicle force, and let's see where should read. Okay. So here we were adding the force, and this was a net force which we have created before. So what we will do now, if the brake is pressed, we don't want this force. Okay, so if the brake applied is true, what we will do, I will calculate the vector. So F vector brake vector is equals to world linear velocity. So it is the same velocity which we have got before. I will multiply it -1. Why? Because I want it to be the reverse direction, and brake constant. That's it. So this value I will apply it, and I will save it inside the net force, or I can actually do, I will just copy paste it like this. Okay, makes sense, and this should do the trick. Let's see. Control B. Let me open my IDE using the debug button. Okay, it's open. So first thing first, the binding which we have created, it will not be there, so we will create that first. So input, do we have it? No. Okay, so I will name it as, I think it was brake, and we will use the space button. Space bar, I think it was brake if I'm not wrong. Yes, it was brake. It was true, false, and okay, it's done. Let's go back to our vehicle and play. It is going good, and I apply the brake. It is not working. Okay, so I think happens. So in the tick function, I will print the value of brake, get brake. Okay, this is funny because we have created the brake applied, B brake applied. Okay, get B brake. Oh, okay, it is not there. I think I have compiled it. Let me check it again. Oh, okay, so I was typing the B in before. So B applied, print, say hello. Let me print this, and let's check if it is working fine. No, it is not taking the space bar, so I must be doing some mistake here. Input brake. Okay, sorry. So the issue is I have created it inside the axis mapping, and it was the action mapping. So again, I will name it as brake spacebar and compile and save. Let's see. Yes, now it is working. If it, I see, I am applying the brake now, and again let's put brake, and this is it. Awesome. So this is running fine. Awesome. This is actually looking cool, and it is very smooth now, and it feels like fluid to me. Okay, so this was it for today. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and if there is some tutorial you want particular to, just let me know from the comments below, and I will help it out. In the next tutorial, I think we will add the boost implementation, like how we can add boost, and it will be really cool. Thank you, take care, bye bye.